wizard.
Alright, good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you might be. I hope everyone's doing good. God bless everyone, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. First and foremost, thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks to all 76 people out there that is supporting the channel. I appreciate all you guys for liking and commenting on my videos. If you want to see me do any other TA besides Bitcoin, just put it down in the comments below. What coin you want me to check out, what stock, what anything can be charted with Market Cipher, and we can always check it out. So just let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see, and I'll make sure to bring it to you. But let's get on to a little Bitcoin technical analysis here. Now that 1 hour did just close, and I wanted to see, you see we had some pretty nice wicks down. I wanted to see if we was going to open above this daily VWAP. It looks like we've held it pretty well. So this could be a little bottom area. You do have money flow coming up. Your VWAP's coming up. Now, this doesn't mean she's going to pinch the green dot. It does seem likely that a green dot will be coming in the next hour or two. But she very well could come up here and just have another sharp turn down. Okay, and now this zero line is resistance. She could come up here and just, I'm sure there's a bump right here. Reject right off of it, okay? So we're going to keep an eye on that, but the candle did open above the VWAP. So it looked like you could have a little bottom. Now, if this is a bottom, I would be looking towards 105. That 105 area, perhaps even this VWAP up here at 105.4, and then you probably reject. You could see rejections from these levels. It's pretty newly charted territory here. Not a lot of data to go off of. Trading at 104, 105k, okay, but if you hold this 1 hour here, you can expect price to probably your next area of resistance above us is 105, 105.5. Okay, probably this VWAP. You hold this VWAP, you're probably going to leapfrog up to this VWAP here. You lose the VWAP. You're probably going to leapfrog down to this Trump VWAP and this week 3 VWAP. This is the previous day right here, and you have all this confluence of support. You have very strong, just as it was strong resistance, very strong resistance for a while. It's become pretty strong support with 2 strong VWAPs, the Trump VWAP, week 3 VWAP, a golden pocket. I'm pretty sure this is a previous day VWAP. Yeah, I still haven't named it, but previous day VWAP, golden pocket, spider line. So we got some decent support. This may be newly charted territory, but we could still use our basic TA with the Fibonacci's and the ranges, and not moving the spider lines. Okay, let's go down to a lower time frame here. Let's go down to the 15-minute and see what's going on. We're coming above our intraday VWAP right here. We're trying to get above it, and then, like I said, I would expect to come up here and retest 105.5, 105.4. That area, you might see a rejection off of that. RSIs are tight. You got a little bull div here on the 15 minutes. Let's see the 5. So some decent bull divs, money flows coming in. This is always a decent strategy for me. It is on the 5 minute with that money flow coming in, and your opening candles above your intraday VWAP. And you want to look at the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour doing? For me, money flow's coming up. Your VWAPs are coming up, and this could be. I'm still refining it. I'm not telling you to go long off of this, but this very well could be. We'll mark it so we can check it in the morning. I just don't have the time to actually sit down and trade. Working on Bushido and trying to get it out on the launcher so I could have 2 games on the EQ launcher and go from there. But I'll talk about all that later. So we'll mark this and see if this would be a good entry with the money flow coming in. Your RSIs, they got tight. They are green. They're a little gapped out. That's fine. Let's go to the 30 minute. 30 minute green dot. Beautiful. That would be beautiful confluence for that 5 minute intraday VWAP with money flow coming in strategy I like to use. That would be beautiful confluence with that, because now you're getting a good bottom. It's a nice, now money flow is coming out on the 30 minutes, so you do have RSIs are super gapped. Okay, so we want to be in and out more than likely, because there are potential for bull divs, which would call for lower prices. Okay, and let's take a look at that scenario. If we do lose this intraday VWAP where we're sitting right now, if we do lose this intraday VWAP at 104.5, 104.7, we could expect to come down to about 104 between. Let's go back to the 30 minute here. Yeah, between 104 and 103. I'd even say with the volatility, 103K. You know, you could wick down. I mean, we still have some pretty nice wicks here, right? I think in the video yesterday, we was about right here. Money flow was coming in. No, there was a trigger wave somewhere. We was on the 1 hour. Yeah, right here, we had the little trigger wave. And then boom, man, like, look at that candle. Like, I came back to check to see what my make sure my TA was kind of on point. But this was during the FOMC meeting. But exactly that is a great trigger wave. Money flow was coming in. I figured we would come up to these VWAPs right here. But man, the next hour was just insane volatility. But she did exactly what Market Cipher said she was gonna do. Okay, I mean, there was some crazy action here and in between, but she did exactly what Market Cipher told us she was gonna do. Okay. Now, like I said, you lose this intraday VWAP, I would expect bounces around all of this confluence of support. But we're going to keep an eye on it. Let's see if this would have been a good entry point. That's always a good way to test your strategies. I've tested this. I've back tested this many times. And see, now we're losing it. We're losing it. Money flow comes right out. That's what happened on like the last 2 or 3 trades I did. Money flow come in, and because I've seen it work. That's why I'm trying to test it. I've seen it work plenty of times. And then I get in, and money flow just starts coming out immediately. Because I try to nail it. I try to nail it right there. But yeah, it's always best to wait for a splash. Even though technically we kind of got one. Even though we did lose it, we didn't splash right to the line. So we'll keep an eye on it. We have the moves to the upside and downside. Right now we're going perfectly sideways on the 5 minute. So we can play either side right now. We can look for shorts, which possible. We start losing this intraday VWAP. Come down to about 103.9, 104K. we start gaining the intraday VWAP, we can look for the resistance at about 105, 107. But we'll wait and see. I'll be back sometime tomorrow. I've been busy. I've been trying to do 2 videos a day, but I've been real busy with building the games and everything else. But still, at least 1 video. I'll try to do 2 videos tomorrow just to keep the schedule going. But that'll do it for me, guys. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless everybody. I'm out.